I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make study notes using ChatGPT. First, clearly define your topic and the format you prefer for your notes. For example, do you want bullet points, a summary, or a question and answer style? Next, specify the key concepts or areas you want covered. Then, prompt ChatGPT to generate an initial summary or outline based on your input. This foundational step ensures your notes are tailored to your specific learning needs. Once you have an initial draft, it's time to refine and expand. Don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT to elaborate on specific sections that seem complex or unclear. You can also request examples, analogies, or even different perspectives to deepen your understanding. If a section feels too wordy, simply ask ChatGPT to rephrase it for better clarity and conciseness. This iterative process helps build comprehensive and easy-to-digest notes. To make your study notes even more effective, incorporate interactive elements. You can ask ChatGPT to generate practice questions or even a short quiz based on the content. This is excellent for self-assessment. Additionally, request flashcards for key terms and definitions, which are perfect for memorization. For particularly challenging concepts, ask for mnemonics or other memory aids to help you recall information more easily. Finally, organize and review your generated notes. Arrange them into a structured document or outline that makes sense to you. Always review the notes for accuracy. As ChatGPT is a tool and not infallible, make any personal adjustments needed. Regularly revisiting your organized notes is crucial for reinforcing learning and ensuring long-term retention of the material. This systematic approach maximizes your study efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.